Here we have our house cured salmon. In this box you're going to find the house cured salmon, which we lightly cure for 48 hours, and then we do gin botanicals crushed across the top of it for a lovely infusion. We've got some beautiful pickled vegetables. We've got fennel and radish, vanilla syrup, and then horseradish hung buttermilk, and a few herbs to garnish. All we're going to do for this one is quite simply open the salmon and slice. And then we're going to arrange it on the plate as prettily as you can. Using a sharp knife, careful not to cut your fingers, you're just going to cut this into nice thin slices. Don't go too thin, you want a little bit of texture. For the pickled vegetables, now I personally like to just arrange a little pile and then pipe some beautiful little dots. And then drizzle your vanilla syrup. And simply enjoy.